Boys and girls, I sure hoped you liked that story. I know I did. I really enjoyed the illustrations. There were so many details that the illustrator included in the drawings, which helps while you are listening to a story. I love how the illustrator and the author work together in books to help the readers, you and I, have a better understanding. So, on the next slide, you are going to complete this sheet. It says, "How are you a good egg?" So think about, how do you take care of yourself? What are some fun things that you do for you? Okay? But also think about, how are you being kind? So what I want you to do is draw yourself as an egg doing something kind. Whether that's something kind for you and taking care of yourself, or if that's something kind for somebody who's in your house or in your neighborhood or someone who's just around you. I look forward to seeing your drawings. Remember, you can draw right on the screen, and when you're finished, make sure that you hit done or submit. And that way I'll know that you're finished. Now, you might finish quickly, but I'm going to have to wait until everybody finishes, and then I'll move the screen on. So don't forget to hit done or submit. I look forward to seeing your drawings.